Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how and where to customize the hotkeys and show you some of the actions you can do with them. Let's start. Go to Hotkey Setup. Here, there are many different positions and actions you can perform with Windows. They are divided in 3 tabs: most common, less common, and the rest. Thirds, fourths, sixths, and eighth positions. Most of them have default values. You can set your own hotkeys. To do this, go to the field. I will change first fourth position and enter your hotkeys. And then click on the Save button. If you want all changes to be saved automatically, go to Settings and activate the immediate shortcut Save toggle. And now there are no Save button anymore. Now I will show you some actions you can perform using the hotkeys. Left half. If I press this hotkey repeatedly, the size of the window changes. So I will show. Increases, decreases. Then right half, the same here. Repeated presses will resize the window. Decreases. Then top half, bottom half. Maximize. Top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, center, first third. Repeated presses will move the window. Second, last third, first third again, first 2/3, last 2/3, first fourth. The same here, repeated presses will move the window. First, second, third, fourth, and minimize. That's all for now. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next video.